We've all seen it in movies. A character sees something terrifying, clutches their chest, and drops dead. It feels like a lazy plot device, right? Like the writers just ran out of ideas. But science says Hollywood might actually be onto something. Today we're asking the ultimate spooky question. Can you literally be scared to death? And more importantly, how exactly does your own body turn against you? To understand this, we have to look at the fight or flight response. This is your body's ancient, hard-coded survival mechanism. When you're scared, your amygdala, the brain's alarm bell, screams at your adrenal glands to release a massive chemical cocktail. It's mostly adrenaline and noradrenaline. Now, adrenaline is a miracle drug. It makes your pupils dilate so you can see better in the dark. It expands your lungs to take in more oxygen, and it pumps sugar into your bloodstream for instant energy. It's designed to turn you into a superhero for exactly 60 seconds so you can outrun a predator. But adrenaline has a very dark side. If the threat doesn't go away, or if the scare is too sudden and too intense, that life-saving surge becomes cardiotoxic. Here's the microscopic nightmare. Adrenaline works by opening channels that let calcium rush into your heart cells. This causes the heart muscle to contract. In a normal situation, the calcium leaves, the muscle relaxes, and your heart beats steadily. But during a massive, overwhelming scare, the floodgates stay open. It's like a sink that's been left running until the entire house is underwater. The heart muscle gets overwhelmed by calcium and simply cannot relax. This leads to something called ventricular fibrillation. Instead of a strong, rhythmic pump that sends blood to your brain, your heart starts to quiver like a bowl of jello. When that happens, your blood pressure drops to zero and you collapse. You aren't just scared, you are experiencing a localized chemical overdose. But it gets weirder. Have you ever heard of Takotsubo cardiomyopathy? It's often called broken heart syndrome, but it's triggered by any extreme emotional shock, including pure terror. In these cases, the left ventricle of the heart literally changes shape. It balloons out and stays that way, making it impossible to pump blood efficiently. The name Takotsubo comes from a Japanese octopus trap, which has the same rounded shape as a terrified heart. Is this a new discovery? Not really. History is full of these voodoo deaths, as researchers once called them. In the 1940s, scientists noticed that people who believed they were cursed would sometimes die despite being perfectly healthy. They weren't killed by magic, they were killed by the sheer, persistent terror of believing they were going to die. Their nervous system stayed in red alert mode until their hearts simply gave up. So who is at risk? If you're a healthy person with a strong heart, a standard jump scare in a haunted house is probably just a fun workout for your cardiovascular system. The danger increases if you have underlying issues, some of which you might not even know about. A sudden surge of adrenaline can cause a plaque buildup in your arteries to rupture, leading to a massive heart attack. In the end, evolution gave us a survival system so powerful that it can accidentally kill the person it's trying to protect. It's the ultimate biological glitch. Your brain tries so hard to save you from a ghost that it accidentally stops your heart. So the next time your friend tries to prank you, remind them that they are technically playing with a biological detonator. If you want to keep your heart beating and your brain growing, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Mind Sprints. Tell me in the comments, what is the most terrifying thing that has ever happened to you? Did you feel your heart skip a beat? Let's talk about it. See you in the next lap.